Hello students. Students, let us begin the second chapter of our grammar, that is active and passive voice. Okay. Before I shall teach you, let me write something and please uh, consider the following sentences. Okay. Here I am going to write two sentences and you have to try to know what is given or what has been shown here. Okay. Lata sings a song. Okay. So a song is sung by Lata. If we talk about of these two sentences, there is practically no difference in the meaning of these two sentences. There are two different ways of presenting the same thing. But in this first sentence, the subject, who is the subject? Lata. Because Lata is Lata sings a song. So who sings a song? Lata. So Lata is a subject. Okay, subject of the verb. Okay, clear? And it means that it means the subject Lata. Okay, clear? It is the doer. Okay. If we talk about the second sentence, so in second sentence, Lata has become the object, and now subject is the object of that first sentence is the object. Okay, a song. Okay, so it means that it becomes the object of the verb of the first sentence. Okay, clear? Thus the voice shows, तो हम क्या कहते हैं? Thus the voice shows whether the subject of a verb acts or is acted upon. In simple words, you can say voice tells us whether the subject of a verb does the work or the work is done. Okay, clear? So if we talk about, ये तो voice की बात थी. If we talk about active voice, what active voice is? When the subject of a verb acts, okay, the verb is said to be in the active voice. So the keyword for this definition is when subject of a verb acts. Okay, when we focus on the subject and what work it does. Okay, clear? So the voice would be active voice. Clear? For example, I made a mistake. So who made a mistake? I. I is the doer. Okay, clear? So what will be the passive voice? Passive voice when the object of the active voice of the active voice becomes the subject. Okay, subject of the verb. So the verb is said to be in the passive voice. Okay, means when an object of active voice becomes the subject. So if we talk about this particular sentence, that is in active voice. Okay, so if we talk about this sentence, I made a mistake, so I subject, made verb, a mistake is object. And when we transform it in passive voice, we would say a mistake, okay, was made by me. Okay, now the subject of active voice becomes the object of passive voice, and the object of active voice becomes the subject of passive voice. Clear? Okay, so the one thing that has been derived, that can be derived from these two examples, is the subject dominates, the subject dominates in active voice. एक्टिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट डोमिनेट करता है, बट द ऑब्जेक्ट डोमिनेट्स in passive voice. Means when we have to talk about a subject and its domination, the voice would be active. Okay, but the object, when the object dominates, okay, the verb would be in passive voice. I think now it has been more clear. Okay, clear. Now the second point is when to use the passive voice. पैसिव वॉइस का यूज़ कहाँ करना है, कब करना है. ओके, क्लियर. द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज when the action shown by when the action shown by the verb is important. Okay, and the doer may not be equally important. Okay, and is not mentioned on account of the same, कि जब एक्शन जो वर्ब, जब एक्शन जो शो करता है, तो वर्ब जो है ना, शोन बाय द वर्ब इज इम्पोर्टेंट. वर्ब जो एक्शन शो करती है, अगर सब्जेक्ट इम्पोर्टेंट बनता है, द डूअर मे नॉट बी इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है ना, वर्ब को इम्पोर्टेंस देनी है, डूअर को नहीं. ओके, तो इट इज़ मैंशन ऑन द अकाउंट ऑफ द सेम. ठीक है, तो ऑब्जेक्ट जो है, वर्क जो है, उसको हम इम्पोर्टेंस देंगे, एंड देन पैसिव वॉइस वुड बी यूज्ड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एक बात क्लियर कीजिए कि व्हेन यू हैव टू टेल समवन प्रोसीजर ऑफ एनीथिंग, ओके, किसी चीज़ का प्रोसीजर बताना है, ओके, एंड व्हेन you have to show the domination of object, okay, use it in passive voice. Okay, next point, when the subject or agent, okay, when the subject or agent is either unknown or insignificant. Means passive voice is used when you don't know the subject, who the subject is, or who the agent is. Okay, कौन agent है ना, तो then passive voice will be used. Okay, when there is need for objective reporting while describing some scientific and technical process. Okay, साइंटिफिक और टेक्निकल प्रोसेस बताने के लिए भी आपको क्या यूज़ करना है, पैसिव वॉइस एक्सप्रेशन विल बी यूज्ड. ओके, क्लियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट वी वर्शिप गॉड, ओके, तो पैसिव वॉइस वुड बी वी मीन्स हम सब, ओके, God is worshipped. Okay, Clear? Let us talk about the general rules for changing a verb into active voice, from active voice into passive voice. Okay, general general rules. Okay, to transform transformation of general rules of transformation, कहाँ से, from active to passive. So this is suppose active voice structure, subject plus verb plus object. Students, keep it in your mind, the subject, the verbs that carries object with it can be transformed into passive voice, and such verbs are called transitive verbs. केवल transitive verbs को ही आप passive voice में change कर सकते हैं. तो what will be the process? Process will be like this: the subject of active voice will become the object of passive voice, and the object of active voice will become subject of passive voice, and the verb is changed as per the tense, and then there would be a helping verb according to the tense, and then third form of verb would be used. So this will be the structure of passive voice: subject plus helping verb plus third form of verb plus by plus object. Okay, clear? If we talk about some of the subjects and object, especially of persons pronoun, so there are subjective case pronouns are I, okay, we, you, she, okay, he, they, okay, it or who. Okay, subject becomes object, so object, so I will become me. Okay, we, us, you will remain you, she, object case is her. Okay, he, objective case will be him. Okay, they, them, it, and who will become whom. Okay, clear? So let us try to learn something more about the changes or the rules for transforming active voice into passive voice. ठीक है, कैसे उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे एक्टिव से पैसिव, एंड फॉर दैट you need to know the tense chart. Okay, clear? But before that, let me write some of the sentences for you. For example, he loves me. Okay, so he subject, loves verb, me object, so it is in active voice. So what will be the passive voice? me will become I loves है ना, loves फर्स्ट फॉर्म, तो क्या रहेगा? आई एम loved by him. ठीक है, he became him. Okay, and am loved, ये कहाँ से आया? तो दिस इज व्हाट यू आर टू लर्न when tense chart is formed for passive voice especially, and I'm going to make it for you. Okay, let us talk about the present tense. Okay, you know Every tense have three particular part: indefinite, continuous, and perfect. Although they are four, but here in passive voice we will take three. In present indefinite tense, you will find you find uh, base form of verb in active voice. So what will be in passive voice? So in passive voice we will use is, mr plus third form of verb. For example, is seen, am seen, are seen. Okay. Okay. For example, somebody say uh, I see him go. Okay. So he is seen go. Okay. For example, next one is continuous. Continuous in continuous form, uh, in passive voice we have to change the active voice using these one: is, am, are plus being plus third form. Okay. For example, uh, they are making kites. So kites are being made. Okay. Clear? Has in perfect tense we use has or have plus third form, or in passive voice has or have plus been plus third form. Okay. Has been seen, has been done, has been made. Okay. For example, they have planted, they have planted the plant. तो क्या जाएगा? The plant have been planted by them. Okay. Clear? Next tense is past. And past, in past indefinite tense we will find second form of verb in active voice. So while changing passive voice, what will be done? Was or were plus third form of verb will be used. Okay. Clear? For example, was done. Okay. Or were caught. Okay. Next one is past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense we find was, were plus ing. So here was or were will be the same as per the new subject, plus being will be used, and then third form of verb. For example, was being done. Okay. Clear? And same were being done. Okay. Next one is past perfect. In past perfect tense we find had plus third form in active voice. So what will we do in passive voice? We will use had plus been. Okay. Plus third form of verb. Okay. For example, uh, had been done. Clear? Next one is future. In future tense, uh, only uh, future indefinite and future perfect tense will be changed into passive voice. Okay. Clear? Here we will use will or shall plus base form in active voice. So what will we do in passive voice? In passive voice, will or shall plus be plus third form of verb would be used. Okay. For example, will be done, कि I will do this work on Monday. तो क्या होगा? This work will be done on Monday by me. Will be done, shall be done. Okay. Okay. Shall be done. Next is uh, future continuous tense. It get no change. There will be no change in continuous form of future. Mean future continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay. All perfect continuous tenses, okay, do not exist in passive voice. पैसिव वॉइस में ये एग्जिस्ट करते नहीं हैं, इनका कोई चेंज नहीं होगा। अलबत्ता तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे नहीं और आते हैं तो वो गलत होगा। ओके। तो इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस we have to use will or shall plus then we use have. Okay. Clear? And then we have to use third form in active voice. But what will we do in passive voice? Will or shall as per the new subject plus have, been, okay, plus third form of verb would be used here. Okay, will, have, been, seen, or done. Okay, same with shall. Shall have been done. Okay, so students, you saw there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 tenses can be transformed into passive voice. ये याद रहेंगे तो it will be quite beneficial for you all, and the learning would be a better one. Okay, clear? One thing that you need to keep in your mind is only transitive verb can be changed into passive voice. Means you need an object, okay, to make it a to, yeah, or you can say to change it in a passive voice. Okay, and another thing is all perfect continuous tenses and future continuous tense do not exist in passive voice. Okay, clear? So let us learn the things on the basis of this tense chart. First will be change of voice regarding present tense. Okay, first of all, in affirmative sentence, here I will write sentences related to active voice, and here I will write passive voice. Okay, for example, I read a book. So the process will be this object will become the subject of passive voice, a book. Here first form, in passive voice we use is Emma plus third form. So a book is read by, I will transform into me object. So a book is read by me. Clear? Take another sentence. Uh, you eat bread. Okay. So what will be done? Bread is eaten, okay, by you. If we talk about some negative sentence, especially of present tense, so here for example, I do not eat bread. तो ये नेगेटिव, तो इन पैसिव वॉइस क्या हो जाएगा? ब्रेड bread is not eaten by me. Okay, clear? If we talk about interrogative sentence, so in interrogative sentence, when the question is of yes or no answer type, okay, so how would you change it? Does he love me? Okay, so here does indicate the present indefinite tense, so is mr would be used. Okay, तो मी सब्जेक्ट क्या है मी, तो सब्जेक्ट विल बिकम आई, मी ट्रांसफॉर्म होगा ना सब्जेक्ट में, तो जाएगा आई, एंड फॉर आई वी यूज एम, एम आई, थर्ड फॉर्म लव्ड बाय हिम, क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, क्लियर. Okay, next one is if who is given, who tells you that, किसने आपको ये बताया, तो who, और हमने who को बताया, who will become whom, but here by would be placed before in the beginning of sentence, before whom, by whom, हो गया, by whom. अब tells indicates the present tense, तो is mr would be used, and according to you are would be used. हेल्पिंग वर्ब मस्ट बी प्लेस बिफोर सब्जेक्ट, ये ध्यान रखना, गलती यही होती है. ओके, बाय होम आर यू टोल्ड दैट. ओके, बाय होम आर यू टोल्ड दैट, तो सब्जेक्ट मीन्स हेल्पिंग वर्ब वुड बी प्लेस बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. ओके, क्लियर. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ interrogative sentence. How do you know him? ओके, आप कैसे जानते हैं उसको, तो हाउ विल रिमेन द सेम, हाउ एम नाउ हिम, हिम इज ऑब्जेक्ट, तो ऑब्जेक्ट का सब्जेक्ट में क्या जाएगा ही, एंड विद ही वी यूज इज, हाउ इज ही, एंड नो, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ नो इज नो न्यू नोन, हाउ इज ही नोन, ओके, to you, here why would not be used. Okay, clear, known to you. Okay students, suppose interrogative and negative sentence is there, how would you change it? For example, uh, do we not teach you. ओके, क्या हम आपको ये टीच नहीं करते हैं, तो ये आएगा आर यू नॉट taught by us, question mark will be there because it is an interrogative come negative sentence. Okay, are you not taught by us? Okay students, let's have some other examples of present continuous tense, present continuous tense, ये present indefinite के थे, present continuous tense. For example, I am eating, I am eating bread. ओके, तो क्या हो जाएगा ब्रेड, देखो यहाँ पे m प्लस वो है, तो इज एम आर विल बी द सेम एज पर द न्यू सब्जेक्ट, ब्रेड इज सिंगुलर तो इज, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू प्लेस बीइंग क्योंकि आईएनजी फॉर्म थी, दैट्स व्हाई ब्रेड इज बीइंग, एंड नाउ थर्ड फॉर्म ईटन बाय मी, bread is being eaten by me. Okay, clear. For example, the next one is we are not, okay, learning the answer, तो क्या जाएगा ऑब्जेक्ट ये, तो मेक इट द सब्जेक्ट, द आंसर okay, is not being learned by us. Okay, okay, अच्छा एक आधा इंटरवेटिव का भी ले लेते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, why are you running a race? तुम ये रेस क्यों दौड़ रहे हो? दिस इज एक्टिव वॉइस. इन पैसिव वॉइस व्हाट विल हैपन? वाई विल रिमेन द सेम, और अ रेस है ना, आर ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ मेक इट द सब्जेक्ट. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू रेस, इज विल बी प्लेस हियर बिफोर रेस. वाई इज अ रेस. ओके, आईएनजी फॉर्म हटाने के लिए, बीइंग रन बाय यू, क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, let's take another one. Are you not singing a song? क्या तुम गाना नहीं गा रहे हो? ओके, सो सॉन्ग इज आर न्यू सब्जेक्ट. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्या हो जाएगा? सॉन्ग इज अ सॉन्ग नॉट बीइंग sung by you. Okay, clear? So these are some examples from present continuous tense. Let us talk present perfect tense. Okay, clear? In present perfect tense, we use inactive voice, and here I would write sentences related to passive voice. So in active voice, we like this one. I have read a book. Okay, so what will be done? A book, according to book singular है तो क्या आएगा? Has. Then been, read, read. Okay, by, और I का क्या हो जाएगा? Me. A book has been read by me. Okay, clear? चलो एक आधा नेगेटिव करके देखते हैं. ठीक है, he has not eaten the bread. उसने ब्रेड नहीं खाई तो क्या आएगा? the bread, okay, has not been eaten by him. Okay, we talk about interrogative sentence. So have you eaten a bread? क्या तुमने कोई ब्रेड खाई है? तो जाएगा अब ब्रेड के अकॉर्डिंग क्या जाएगा? हैज़ अ ब्रेड, ओके, बीन ईटन बाय यू. ओके, हैज़ अ ब्रेड बीन ईटन बाय यू. ओके, okay students, so I'll send you the exercise of related to these three tenses. Okay, in the next video we'll try to learn something more about passive voice. Okay students, till then keep practicing. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.